Good morning, children. Hope everyone are fit and fine. Today we are going to learn about the big friend plus 3 and plus 4. Last time we have learned addition of big friend plus 1 and plus 2. Let's recall how to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have to write in the reverse order. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you have to put a plus 10, you just add it. Okay, plus 10, 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 plus 10. Now we are doing addition of big friend. So put an equal sign here. So equal sign near to the number. Okay. Everywhere put the equal sign nearer to the number. Now you put a minus in front of it. Okay. So we got the formula for big friends addition. Big friends addition. Once again, first you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you don't write equal and minus. Write down in the reverse order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Then everywhere you add 10. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Then you put a minus sign. Minus 9 plus 10. Minus 8. Put minus sign everywhere. This is how we will learn the technique of big friend addition. Big friend addition. Now, last time we discussed plus 1 and plus 2. Nothing is written means plus 1 and plus 2. This was done. Now, this time we will understand plus 3 and plus 4. Now, we will understand plus 3 and plus 4. The sums which you will solve is plus 3 and plus 4 today, and mixture of plus 3 and plus 4. I'll be erasing the board and then I'll be writing the two questions on the board and we'll follow it. Yes, children? Now, you look at the board. I'll be writing a question of plus 3. So, what is plus 3 formula? Plus 3 equals minus 7 plus 10. Plus 3 equals minus 7 plus 10. So, the first one, 52, 0403 and again 03. How do we add this? Using the abacus tool. Okay. Next one, the same way we will apply plus 3 formula here. Let me teach you. 19, 13, 53 and minus 25. How do we do using the abacus tool? Big friend. Is it clear, children? Now we will understand plus 3 is nothing but minus 7 plus 10. Now clear the bits. Bits have been clear. Now we will do 52. How do we do 52? Here in the tens place 50 and 2 is in ones place. So what do? We will put a tick mark. We have finished it. Okay. We'll put a tick mark. We have finished with 52. 52 is done. Now 4. How do we add 4? Is there any bits empty over here to add 4? No. So what to do? How do we do? Add 4. So we know the small friend subtraction. What is plus 4? Nothing but plus, what is that? Minus 1 plus 5. Plus 4 is nothing but minus 1 plus, okay, plus 5 minus 1. In the small friend we will use plus 4 is nothing but plus 5 minus 1. Okay. Why we will do subtraction in the big friend? Because we want the bits to be cleared. So here plus 5 minus 1 we did. We have added 4 to it. Now we have finished with 4. Now 3. How do we do 3? Just add 3 to the answer bar directly. Now 3, one more 3 you have to add. How do we do that? Here there is no bits left out to be free. So how do? We use this big friend, minus 7 plus 10. So you have to remove 7 from the answer bar, 5, 6, 7 from the answer bar. Then you have to add 10 to it. So the answer is, we have finished with plus 3 now. Now answer is 60. What is the answer is? 62. Is it clear, children? It's very easy. Sometimes we have to use small friend subtraction or addition also. Okay. Now let us understand how do we do this second sum, 19. To doing this, clear the bits. Clear the bits. 19, how do we? 1 and 9. 1 and 9. All the bits which touch the answer bar is the 9. So 1 and 9. How do you write 13? How do we write 13, children? How do we do 13? 1 and 3. 3 is there? No. So 10 in one's place. For the 13, 3. 3 is minus 7, 5, 6, 7 and plus 10. So 13 is done. 19 is done. Now 53. How do we do 53? This is 50 and 3 is not there. So what we have to do? Minus 7, 3. How do we do? 3 we can't get it. So you use this 3. Even minus 7 we cannot do here. So use your small friend technique. So what it is? Plus 5 minus 2. That is 3 is added. So what is that small friend technique? Plus 5 minus 2 we have applied here. Okay. So minus 25. 20 and 5. What is the answer, children? Answer is 60. Answer is 60. 60. Nothing is there means it's 0. Clear, children? So this is how we have learned plus 3 techniques. Now we will learn plus 4 techniques. It's also very easy. Plus 4 formula is nothing but minus 6 plus 10. Okay. I'll be giving 2 sums and I'll be solving it. You pay attention to it, children. So this is 16. 4 is added to it. Again 6 is added to it. Again we are less means subtracting 5. Okay. This is the first one we are doing. The second one 32 06 04. Then we will less 2 from it. Less means you have to subtract. Now you clear the bits, children. Now 16. How do we do 16? 1 and 6. This is 16. Use your butterfly finger in your scale. My scale is quite big. So I cannot use my hands to use the butterfly finger. So 1, 6, 16 is done. Put a tick mark. Now we have to do 4. How do we do 4? There are 4 bits free there? No. So what is plus 4? Is nothing but plus 5 minus 1. So this is small friends. So here we can use minus 6 plus 10. That also. Okay. We can use both. But we can't use the small friend because plus 5 we can't add more here. Okay. So we will go with the big friend. So what is big friend? Minus 6 plus 10. So we did with 4 now. Clear, children? Now we use 6. We have to add 6. Nothing is written means 6. You have to add 6. So use a butterfly finger. We have added 6 to it. Now minus 5. That means 5 should be away from the answer bar. The answer is 21. Let us do this second one for that. Clear the bits. Now 32. How do we do 32? 30 is in tens place. 2 is in ones place. 32 is done. Put a tick mark. Now I have to add 6 to it. How do we do? Very good. 5 and 1 is 6. We are finished with 6. Now how do I add 4? There is no bits left out. So we have to use this big friend formula. Minus 6 plus 10. So subtract 5 and this 6 is subtracted. Add 10 to it. So we have added 4 to it. What is given at the end? Minus 2. How do I do minus 2? Remove 2 from the answer bar. The answer is 40. Answer is 40. Now, this is done to you, children. Now, let us understand the mixture of plus 3 and plus 4. I will not write the formula. We will be doing directly. Two sums based on that. Let me take 8. This is using both plus 3 and plus. Okay, I'll write down for your sake. We will use plus 3 is nothing but, what is plus 3 formula, children? Plus, what is plus 3 formula, children? Minus 7 plus 10. What is plus 8 formula, children? Sorry, plus 4 formula? Minus 6 plus 10. Okay. Last time I told you the finger technique also you can utilize it. Okay, children? Now, we will understand the mixture of both. Let me give you one example. 18. Let me give you a little difficult one. Double digit. Not so difficult. It's easy, children. 66 minus 55. Okay. Plus 16 and plus 13. How do we do that? And one more is 21, 6 and 4. You have to use a double digit and 7. We have to add them. Now how do I do 66? Clear the bits. We have to do with 66. So this is 66 is done. Now minus 55. You have to remove the 55 from here. Next, we are finished with these two. Now we have to add 16 to it. So 1 and 6 is 16 is done. Then 13. How do we add 13? 10 and 3. 3 is not there. So what we have to do? Minus 7 plus 10. Remove the 7. 5, 6, 7 and add 10. So what is the answer, children? Answer is 4040. The answer is 4040. You can see the answer sheet. Answer bar, and you can give the answer. Now let me go to this one. 21, 6, 4 and 7. 20 and 1. Okay, children? 21 is done. Now 6. How do we do 6? 5 and 6. This is done directly. Now how do we add 4? Technique. Minus 6 plus 10. Minus 6 plus 10. So 4 is added. Now we will go with 7. How to add 7? 5, 6, 7. The answer is 38. So hope you understood today's session about the addition of big friend plus 3 and plus 4 related sums. Please do it in your Abacus book, and any concerns are there, the next session, next online class, you can ask to your teacher, maths teacher. Thank you very much. Have a good day.